Couples only matter. Can't get into the universe except as electron-positron pairs. This post suggests the following. The only way energy can get into the space-time universe is as an electron-positron pair. See illustration. E minus is an electron, E plus is a positron or anti-electron. The singularity that started the universe in a Big Bang was photons that don't take up space and are outside of time. The initial singularity continues and is ongoing as virtual particle pairs or vacuum energy from empty space. Background. My model suggests that there was a singularity of energy that started the universe. This energy was photons. Some suggest that when the singularity made the space-time universe, it was used up, and it is no longer active or even in existence. My thoughts are that the energy of the singularity that started the universe was far from used up. Further, the energy needed to create the Big Bang and the space-time universe was a small subset of that singularity energy. So, there remains a massive singularity that continues to exist as an outside of the universe energy source. That ongoing outside the universe singularity energy source continues today as vacuum energy. Vacuum energy is the energy of empty space. It manifests itself as virtual particle pairs that pop up everywhere there is empty space. These pairs are always a particle plus its antiparticle. This can be considered as virtual electron-positron pairs. The universe is cooled and expanded, so my contention is that particle pairs cannot now enter the universe as they did in the Big Bang, but virtual particle pairs can. These virtual particle pairs may be a present-day clue to the initial Big Bang. They suggest that a photon singularity could make space-time through creating electron-positron pairs. That means that both singularity particle pairs and virtual particle pairs are energy from the same outside the universe energy source. With this difference, the virtual particles are much weaker. Photons. So why didn't photons make the universe directly? Why can't they enter as is instead of having to first create electron-positron pairs that create the universe? Photons do not take up space. They are also outside of time. That means they are outside of space and time or space-time. That suggests they can enter space-time or make space-time directly. But photons can't create matter that creates space and starts time. This process of photons making pairs of matter is called pair conversion. Pair conversion is where photons create matter as electron-positron pairs. Sound familiar? This is the same as both the singularity particle pairs and virtual particle pairs. Footnote: an electron and positron, once inside the universe, can annihilate and turn into total energy as photons. These photons do seem to stay in the universe, though that exception is puzzling. Summary: I suggest that nothing can enter the universe except as electron-positron pairs or virtual electron-positron pairs. Virtual particle pairs or vacuum energy supports this idea. Virtual particle pairs also supports the idea that the Big Bang singularity continues to pour energy into our space-time universe. Thanks for reading. Feel free to share or comment. This post is part of a bigger physics model.